Hello and welcome to this very first video of the Git series to get you started for your project. As you can see, I am already on the Git main page, if you like. It's called git-scm.com, and from this site you can get lots of things, especially the documentation and a free ebook if you like. And on the right side you also see a download button where you can download Git for your desired platform. In this video I will do this for the Windows platform. If you click on that button, the setup client will be downloaded, and after this we can start with the first setup. I have downloaded successfully the setup client for Git, and here the UAC control wants me to grant some access rights to run the setup, and I just click yes, and then the setup starts showing me the license information of the Git setup. I will install Git in the default path. And here in the components menu of Git, I will just adjust 2 points. The first point is that I leave out the Git GUI, since I do not need the GUI in my all-day work, and you won't experience that we use that GUI here in that course. But I am interested in updates of Git, and that's why I check the daily update check for this Git application. So I leave the menu folder as it is, and here in this screen you can pre-select a pre-configured editor if you like, and I will leave this to Vim at this point, but as I mentioned in the first video, we will reconfigure this later on to Visual Studio Code. But for the moment I will just leave it as it is. Here then just the information that the Git executable will be stored in the path environment, and you can also leave the configuration as it is. The same is for the OpenSSL library. We want to use this OpenSSL library, that's why we'll leave this as well. And in this screen I would recommend you to select the checkout as is and the commit as is option. The reason for this is that we have different default line endings on different platforms. So Linux uses LF and Windows uses CRLF. And to avoid just some conflicts, if you deal with Linux or with Windows or with Unix files, you can just accept the line endings as they are at this point. So we also want to use the Mint.UI terminal. This is a terminal that comes with a setup of Git, just providing us a few Linux tools which are really handy to work with. And in this screen we also can leave everything as it is. The credential manager will just save our username and password if we have to log in via HTTP or HTTPS to a Git server. And then the credential manager just saves these credentials securely on our local system. Now the setup has started, and we will see us in the next video. By the way, if you still have any question about the video, or if you have any further question, please do not hesitate to ask me and leave me a comment below. Thank you.